Well, at first it started to look like we weren't going to make it to Moose River Plains when the death wobbles hit Matt's Jeep there. But then there were the pine trees. And wait, there's a raccoon on the dashboard. How'd that get there? I just want to show everybody our deluxe accommodations here. Well, we got the fire pit, which is basically like the kitchen. And then, you know, behind the rocks over here is a really interesting variation of an outhouse, which I would just call an outbox. And I'm not gonna get much closer than this, but we're gonna use Dan as a comparison for a side-by-side on.
You know, it's not bad. See, I prefer this technique though, where you just kind of come up to the tree. Now, that's not too bad, you know?
Well, yeah, but if your footing slips, you will have a bad day.
No, footing is definitely key when it comes to, you know, convenience yourself out in the woods, but hey, you know what happens?
And there's some sort of gnaw marks on this too, so bon appetit. So Dan is going to retire his gloves here.
Oh yeah, they're nasty.
They are way nasty. They smell.
Right.
So
there you go.
do they smell better now?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna stand downwind of these. Upwind. I'm not gonna want to get a smell of those. Sit down. Listen to the elders.
Be seated.
Oh, too bad we didn't have a funnel so we could funnel some beers.
Shotgun some beers.
Oh, I haven't done that in so long, I don't even remember how to do it.
You either really have really nice popcorn or burn up kernels, one or the other. Nothing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Dear God.
Yes, my
Whoa, watch out,
heads up.
You like my reaction? Hang on. What? What's going on here?
Who?
I got the shovel. Don't worry about it.
I was still stunned by Matt's really loud burp
That's the same
there.
log that tried to take you out earlier.
It probably was.
Yep.
Oh,
Matt, you need to see a doctor.
no. You need to see a beer doctor.
The doctor of
Dear
beer.
doctor, why don't I have more beer? Fix it. I would like a beer scription.
Nice.
Success.
What are you doing?
I'm filming this.
Popcorn making in the wilderness?
Yeah. That used to be a beer bottle.
That would be really cool in the morning.
Quite literally.
Yeah, right.
He sticks out. He walks funny too. Okay, I'm done bothering you.